Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you are doing well. My name is Abdul Hamid. I am here to present my first video on my YouTube channel, namely Abdul Hamid. Today we will learn about how to set offline SEO of YouTube video before uploading. Further, how to rank video number 1 in YouTube. I compiled these tags from YouTube search predictions and Google search results. Offline video SEO, main title, go to video properties, select detail, main title of video, subtitle, i.e. second title, rating, tags, copy of your whole tags, paste, comments if any. Alright, this video is very good. Contributing artist, add channel name, add video creation, year, date, genre, director if any, producer, writer, publisher, content provider, add your YouTube channel or name. Go down, promotion all, paste your channel all URL, okay, apply. That's it. You did your video SEO.